Quality parts to keep you moving. That's the NAPA way. GPC, the parent company of NAPA, has an expertly diligent global sourcing team dedicated to finding and vetting the highest quality suppliers around the world. They guide the process from procurement to shipment and beyond, ensuring that all NAPA suppliers continue to meet the standards of excellence set by GPC. NAPA is committed to the procurement of high-quality aftermarket products that meet or exceed the performance of the original equipment. Some NAPA products are even made on the same production lines as the OE and used by the championship-winning NAPA Racing UK team. Before a supplier is selected, they must pass a series of comprehensive audits to determine the manufacturing capacity, product quality, and working conditions of the factory. For example, the quality audit spans everything from product design to logistics to calibration, while the social audit reviews critical environmental factors like health and safety procedures, working hours, and wages. Only those that pass GPC's stringent audits are chosen, and this process is repeated annually to ensure the quality standards of NAPA are continuously upheld. Products are then rigorously tested throughout production and inspected before shipment. If the original part is subjected to 1 million cycles, the NAPA part will undergo 1 million cycles as well, and often more. Only true quality makes it into a NAPA box. And it's not just what's inside the box, it's how that product gets delivered. Each part is expertly catalogued and cross-referenced for your peace of mind. Dispatched from our nationwide, state-of-the-art distribution centres and stocked at over 1,000 locations for collection or delivery. The NAPA network has the parts you need when you need them. Join the NAPA network today.